Want to share your BlueSky profile with your followers on X app or Twitter app? I'll show you how to quickly grab your BlueSky profile link and share it on X so others can follow you too. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In this video, I'll be showing you how to share BlueSky social profile link on X app or Twitter app. So without any further ado, let's get started. Start by opening the BlueSky app on your device and make sure you're logged in. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen to access your profile page. Once on your profile, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your profile page. From the options that appear, tap on the Share option. Then simply copy the link of your profile. Next, open the X or Twitter app. Here, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen to create a new tweet. In the tweet composition box, paste the BlueSky profile link you just copied. Feel free to add any extra text or hashtags to your tweet like follow me on BlueSky or check out my BlueSky profile. Once you're happy with your tweet, tap on the post button in the top section of your screen. And that's it, you've successfully shared your BlueSky social profile link on X or Twitter. Now your followers can easily check out your BlueSky account. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Tech My Life for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're the first to know when a new video drops.